Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can give foods to the other NPCs on Grow a Garden. Now, as you can see, it says 28 December birthday for Eloise. I don't know how to pronounce her name. In 66 days. So you can only give, for instance, Eloise or Isaac foods on their birthday. You will be reminded. So again, for Eloise, it's still in 66 days. Eloise, I don't know. And you'll have to give her a cake. You cannot give her just normal food. As you can see, if I bring out this corn dog, I can't feed it. It says this. Eloise can only be fed cake on their birthday, so you're going to make a cake for her birthday. I don't know what rewards will come when we upgrade our level with her, like level up with her. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can level up with the rest of the NPCs. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.